Dyson vacuums combine powerful suction, innovative design, and versatility. From cordless models to upright cleaners, they deliver top performance on all surfaces. Starting at number 1, Dyson Upright Vacuum Cleaner. The Dyson Ball Animal 2 upright vacuum delivers extremely powerful suction, rated as one of Dyson's strongest, designed to tackle tough cleaning tasks across carpets, wood, vinyl, and tile floors. Its self-adjusting cleaner head automatically seals in suction on all floor types, while the Ball TM technology makes steering around furniture easy. It includes useful tools like the tangle-free turbine tool for pet hair, a stair tool, and a combination tool for versatile cleaning. Whole machine HEPA filtration traps 99.97% of fine dust and allergens inside the vacuum, and the hygienic bin emptying lets you release dirt with just a push of a button. Number 2, Dyson Gen 5 Outsize Cordless Vacuum. The Dyson Gen 5 Outsize Cordless Vacuum delivers powerful whole home cleaning in a large, high-capacity format. With 250 AW of suction and up to 140 minutes of runtime from 2 swappable batteries, it handles carpets, hard floors, stairs, and upholstery with ease. Its extra-large bin and wider cleaner head allow you to cover more floor with fewer stops, while illumination technology reveals hidden dust and the LCD screen displays power modes and remaining runtime. Designed for pet owners, the hair screw tool and digital motor bar XL head remove long hair and pet hair without tangling. Advanced whole machine HEPA filtration captures 99.99% of microscopic particles, ensuring cleaner air, and the lightweight, durable design makes it easy to maneuver throughout the home. Number 3, Dyson Gen 5 Detect Cordless Vacuum. The Dyson Gen 5 Detect Cordless Vacuum is Dyson's most advanced cordless stick vacuum, offering up to 70 minutes of runtime on a single charge and 280 AW of powerful suction to deep clean carpets, hard floors, and everything in between. Its fluffy optic TME cleaner head uses illuminated laser light to reveal invisible dust on hard floors, while the digital motor bar TM head tackles embedded dirt and pet hair without tangling. An LCD screen displays real-time cleaning feedback, power mode, maintenance alerts, and remaining runtime, and the vacuum intelligently adapts suction based on debris and floor type. With whole machine HEPA filtration that traps 99.99% of particles down to 0.1 microns, it helps expel cleaner air, and the design converts easily to a handheld for above-floor cleaning with included tools like a crevice tool and hair screw attachment. Number 4, Dyson Upright Vacuum Cleaner. The Dyson Ball Multi-Floor 2 Upright Vacuum delivers versatile, powerful cleaning across carpets, hardwood, vinyl, and tile with its self-adjusting cleaner head that automatically seals in suction for consistent performance on all surfaces. Its radial root cyclone TM technology captures more microscopic dust and allergens, while whole machine HEPA filtration helps keep allergens and bacteria trapped inside the vacuum instead of blowing back into your home. The Ball TM technology design makes it easy to steer and maneuver around furniture, and the instant release wand and long hose extend your reach for cleaning high areas and under furniture. With hygienic bin emptying at the push of a button and useful tools like a stair tool and combination tool included, it's a reliable corded option for everyday household cleaning. Number 5, Eureka NEU 10 AE5 Vacuum Cleaner. The Eureka NEU 10 AE5 is a lightweight, bagless, upright vacuum designed to make everyday cleaning quick and easy across hard floors and low-pile carpets. Weighing just about 7.7 pounds, its 10.5-inch wide cleaning path and airspeed suction help extract dirt and hair efficiently, while the quick release handle and onboard crevice tool and dusting brush let you clean upholstery, stairs, and tight spots without extra hassle. Its washable foam filter keeps maintenance costs low, and the compact design allows for simple storage and portability, making it ideal for apartments, small homes, or anyone who wants an affordable, easy-to-use vacuum.